Okay, I'm less awkward because there's no one in here, hence why it's now later. I'm just gonna see how far I'm gonna get on this. I don't really know, but we'll see. And you'll see in a second. We're both figuring this out together. Okay, and my progress from what I've done, literally just the background, but I can't work on this one anymore because it all needs to dry before I add finer details. So if I do come back later, it'll be on my other painting, but we'll find out later. I don't know yet. Okay, bye.